Hi viewers, welcome to Pebbles. Today I am going to show you how to make a designer silk thread bangles set. Let's start. Take two bangles of different one of pink color and one is golden color. I have wrapped. Take a golden color bangle, apply glue at the center of a bangle around. And paste white color pearl chain at the center. Big size pearl. And now after pasting, cut the extra chain and paste tightly. I have made 4 bangles of same pearl chain pasted. Next take a pink color bangle, apply glue at the center of a bangle on 4 sides and paste square shape kundan at the center. On all the 4 sides, I have pasted square shape kundan. And now, on both the sides of square shape kundan, apply glue and paste medium sized round shape anti kundan. Similarly, paste round shape kundan on all the 4 sides. Now take a small size round shape kundans. Apply glue on other corner of 4 sides of square shape kundan. Paste on both the corners like this on 4 sides. Now similarly I am pasting on all the 4 sides. Now I have pasted in between 2 square kundans. We have pasted on all the 4 sides. Apply glue at the center in between and paste pearl chain. After pasting, cut at the end and paste it. On the other side, again apply glue. Again paste pearl chain. After pasting, cut at the end. I have pasted on all the 4 sides. Now at the one side of pearl chain we have pasted, apply glue and paste. Golden color ball chain. After pasting, cut at the end. Now turn a bangle. On the other side again apply glue and paste. Golden color ball chain. After pasting, cut at the end. Now I have pasted on one side. 2 line of golden chain I have pasted on both the sides. Now the bangle is ready. I have made another bangle like this. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe Pebbles.